Hey guys, if you're getting a black screen on Minecraft, that's what you need to do here. First of all, update your GPU drivers. Should be latest. Your GPU should be with the latest update. I'm using NVIDIA, so I can go simply to NVIDIA, and then I just need to go to drivers and install latest drivers. Another reason can be mods. If you recently installed some mods and after you install the mods, it's not you're getting black screen, probably it's mods. So what you need to do here is to write run, then look for write local app local app data %, then look for .minecraft basically folder here. Should be somewhere here, a Minecraft folder. So you just need to look for it. If you cannot find it like me here, you can go to a Minecraft launcher and then go to Java Edition, installations, and then press on this little folder here and then look for mods and then delete the latest mod here and launch the game and your problem should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like and subscribe for more.